मिल रहा है कैमरा? नहीं मिल रहा है? Please shoot out your questions.
You know what we should do?
अच्छा, what do we do? Are we mediating this? हो गया ना? Okay.
Yeah.
Questions.
Hello, good
Alia,
evening to
what
all.
was Alia here?
I recognize your voice.
Yeah, thank you. Lipika here. What was the gun that you were following?
Oh, what was the gun that I was following?
Lipika, behave yourself. Why dirty thoughts? It's a happy family film. The gun is only all these
Yeah.
frills are flying.
It was wonderful. Your dance was really exuberant.
Thank you. It was only for you guys.
Exuberant performance. What preparation you had to do, Alia?
Asking me?
Yeah.
You know, I'll be very honest. The Gulabo was the first song जो मैं और शायद साथ में dance करने वाले थे and shooting and everything. So I was damn nervous, like because I'm dancing next to Shahid. He doesn't even even he puts 10% energy, it looked like he's putting 100% energy. So I was very nervous because I wanted to be like, okay, at least match up to him, like to 1%. I know I'm going to be less, 3%, 4%. I have to be at the same level. At least try, at least look normal. So I worked damn hard. Eventually, Vikas and Bosco told me, okay, Alia, stop rehearsing now. And Shai just came, okay, Bosco, what's the vibe? Okay, okay, ठीक है, तो vibe करते and all. And then he went and tuck, got it in like 8 minutes. I remember I told Bosco's assistant dancer also, Gul. I said, why? He's like, हाँ, like Shah bhai to aise hi hai.
She's talking all, and Shah bhai and all. Nobody
She
calls me
calls him
Shah
Shah
bhai and all that.
Gul.
It's all rubbish. Did you guys see the video? Have you seen how she's killing it in the video?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
but
all these new kids, I'm telling you, they are very shana.
you
They
only
give
said
all
I'm
this-
not new anymore that day.
Have you acknowledged and accepted this?
No.
During the making of Shandar, you did not acknowledge and accept this.
Yeah,
Shahid,
I still.
She used to, me and her, I thought we had become really close friends, and we used to spend time together and we'll, go to the coffee shop together and we'll, do things together. And suddenly one day, every day we used to hang after shooting. One day I'm messaging Alia, where are you? What's up? I'm getting bored. What's up? I'm getting bored. No response, no response. I find out without telling me sneakily, she has gone to do rehearsals for Gulabo. So she used to go without telling me because they have this big kida that I want to be better than the other one. This kida is there in all of these guys.
No,
So
no.
No, you have this issue.
No.
Yes,
Shahid,
you do.
Better even
Don't
if I try,
lie.
I can't be.
This is all rubbish.
Than you in
we
dancing.
we saw the video. Everybody has seen the video.
Why? No, this is. Yeah.
These are...
No, but to answer your question, that I worked very hard and I'm very happy that you acknowledge it. But let me just point out, Shahid also really helped me. That you can ask Bosco will second me on this. That there were moments where I was crying and saying, Bosco, why these steps, Bosco? He used to call me penguin feet. Okay, Alia and her happy feet. Because I just didn't know what to do. And Shahid would be like, okay, babe, just slow down. Why are you doing that? Look at the energy. Look at the mood. Do that, do that. So he really helped me. So Shahid, thank you.
some few words of wisdom from Bosco.
stop.
Bosco, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
She's right. She did cry, and I think because the tears might just make the song really larger than life.
Tell them about... Tell them about the weather conditions.
The reason, if you see those jackets, that wasn't the style actually. So we had to really cover ourselves. So उसमें हम लोग को warm रखना पड़ा.
They're not moving that much because they're wearing 5 thermals under those clothes.
Yeah, and
Excuse me, I was wearing no thermal.
Yeah, even I was wearing no thermals. Him were the only two people wearing thermals.
Huh.
Bosco has a habit of, so he disappears every 4-5 hours. And when you try and find out why, he goes for a change of
it's a
clothes.
look change.
Random change of clothes for no reason. He carries 4 pairs of clothes with him every day wherever he goes. So if halfway through this press conference you see him in new clothes, don't be surprised.
Okay.
Moving on to Gulabo.
Next question.
Shahid, I want to ask you that your on-screen chemistry between you and Alia is wonderful.
Thank you. But we don't know where you are.
Your last,
Jump.
There?
Your
Oh,
last.
Okay,
yeah.
hi. Yeah, now we can see you. Thank you. Sorry,
Like-
your question was?
Your on-screen chemistry between you and Alia is wonderful. I'd like to know what's the reason behind that.
I don't know. Actually, we had no interaction with each other before this film started, and we actually met a couple of times here and there. And I mean, obviously, I was in a part of her clique. I was a bit old for that. But eventually, I think I don't know, we just reached set and it just happened, you know. I just really liked her as a person and I
बस
felt
हो
her.
गया sir.
हाँ,
बस हो गया.
हो जाता है, ऐसे ही होता है. And we just really got along and I really liked the kind of person that she was. I felt she was very unassuming.
Was?
At that time. In context of when I met you for the first time, you're an even better person now. You're wonderful, Alia. Everything about you is so good. But yeah, we really got along. I honestly wondered whether we'd get along because we've, you know, not really known each other at all. But I don't know, it was great. I just feel like I maybe know her from another life types. I get that feeling.
Actually, I thought they'd been lying to me that they didn't know each other because when I saw them on the third or fourth day of shoot, they were standing in one corner and talking for about 2 hours. They had one earpiece of the walkie on their ears. They were listening to music and talking. I said, "ये झूठ बोले कि ये जानते नहीं थे एक दूसरे को." But yeah, I think they got along really well on the shoot, even though Alia was sneakily preparing on the side, which I can also vouch for.
Shahid, you must take back your statement saying that these new kids, if you're married, doesn't mean that you've grown old.
Thank
Yeah,
you so
yeah,
much.
yeah,
Very
yeah.
kind.
Agreed.
It's very kind of you. Thank you very much.
Wherever you are, I agree.
Yeah, this
Yes,
side.
I don't know where you
Alia,
Lipika
you're-
again.
Alia-
Yeah, this side.
Alia,
Anji.
Hello.
I want to ask you that you wore the bikini for the first time in this
No,
movie.
no, no, not for the first. In this movie?
Yeah.
In this movie, yes, for the first time, but in life, not for the first time.
But how comfortable you was in the shot?
I at that moment was not comfortable because it was very cold, but I was
Alia.
very happy.
Alia was not comfortable when this bikini shot was happening.
It was -2 degrees the way we shot the bikini.
The beach that they chose, which looks like any beach in India, which was -2 degrees when they shot there. And everybody was only freezing. I was actually wearing a ganji and I was wearing pants, but like I was bare feet and I was dying, so I can only imagine what happened. In fact, we have some footage on the making of this film with Alia
Yeah.
trying to give the bikini shot because she was told it's a mid shot, so she took her dungarees down only till here. So when they panned down, her entire dungarees were still there. So it was very, very cold. When
It
she-
was,
It's
but
going to
I
be-
feel
it's
when,
going to come out in the making.
will it? So then you'll see also. But for me, once the camera comes on, it's like anything can happen. That was nothing. Me and Shahid, actually, there's a sequence in the film where we were swimming in like minus how many degrees water?
-5.
-5, and we were very cold.
And we spent 2 days in there, and so basically, Vikas had this very big smile on his face throughout that day, and I
ये ठंडी नहीं
was
है।
wondering कि इतनी खुशी क्यों दिखा रहा है? So we actually discovered that the water was -5, which is why he was trying to keep it so warm and happy because he knew what he's going to put us through.
Yeah, Vikas would come from the hill and say, "It's not that cold, na? You're fine, na? With muffler, jacket, socks, everything." And we are like, "Yeah, bro, we're fine. We are cool."
And I told Vikas, एक बार पानी में हाथ तो डाल. तुझे क्या पता? मुझे ठंडी नहीं लगती है. तू wrong आदमी से बात कर रहा है. But he didn't put his hand inside that water. Ever.
No, but Alia said, "What are we doing about this water?" So I told her, वो जो पुराने ज़माने वो गीजर के वो नहीं आते थे, वो हीटर इलेक्ट्रिक डालने वाले पानी में, वो हम सब तरफ डाल रहे हैं. तो पानी हम गर्म करके रखेंगे तुम्हारे
हाँ,
लिए.
मैंने
And
believe
she
किया.
believed it also. She thought in that waterfall we're going to put those hot
क्या कर रहे हो यार? अभी
rods.
अभी बंद हुआ है. फिर से चालू मत करो.
So here's another one.
Hi Shahid, this is Urvi here. To your
There I
Hi.
can see.
Where?
yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Shahid. This is the first time you were sharing screen space with your sister, and you were getting to dance with her. How was the entire experience?
Actually, you know, he cast her without me even knowing about it. I don't know how, I think he met her through Mukesh Chabra. Yeah, so I think without telling me, my sister was wanting to be an actor and she was trying to figure out what to do, and she had gone and met Mukesh Chabra, and I think she met him and auditioned for the role even before I knew about it. And in fact, he called me up. Vikas called me up one day and said that guess who's playing Alia's sister in the film? And it's a really important role, you know. This film, it's me and Alia, yes, but there are a lot of really interesting characters which play very important roles in this film. And that's one of those roles. And he told me that my sister is going to be playing Alia's sister in the film. And I was actually shocked for a bit because you know how it is about younger sisters. You always feel like they've not grown up. So you feel like abhi to time hai, abhi to bachchi hai. But very amazingly, I think her and Alia actually kind of look like siblings somehow. I don't think you and me look like siblings at all, but somehow my
I
sister
hope
and
not.
you. Maybe if you grow up,
And actually, the amazing thing was that she came and auditioned without telling anyone who she is, where she from. She came like any normal person audition. She got selected, and after that, we got to know who she is. And that's when I called Shahid and I told her that it's your sister who'll be playing that.
And the weird thing is that, you know, Vikas didn't seem excited at all about having me in this film. But he would be extremely excited when Sana got cast. He looked at me and said, "तुझे पता ही नहीं है वो कितनी अच्छी actress है. I'm so dying to start shooting with her." And I'd say, "What about me?" हाँ हाँ वो तो ठीक है. You know, your dad has also said yes to the film. I'm dying to start shooting with him. So apart from me, Vikas was excited to start shooting with everybody
अरे
else.
Heather release नहीं हुई थी तब तक.
Queen हो गई थी.
Alia?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Alia, गुलाबों की
Whoa, okay. हाँ.
गुलाबों की बैचलर पार्टी में तो आपने बहुत गन फैलाई है अब तक. अभी
हाँ.
जो बैचलर पार्टी हमने देखी, आप अपनी रियल लाइफ में अगर बैचलर पार्टी होगी तो वो किस तरह की होगी, और डू यू वांट शाहिद विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर बैचलर पार्टी?
ये without music है. आप सोचो with music क्या होगा?
This is my bachelor party.
I don't think she needs anyone at the party.
Alia, whatever you're on, can I have it too?
Alia, where were you last night? I had a
I
bachelor
saw.
party. I had a lot of fun with myself.
Yeah. That's the vibe.
Don't you want Shahid will be a part of your bachelor party? Don't you want Shahid?
Will have Shahid be part? Shahid?
I am very happy to be a part of any bachelor.
के ना 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 हाथ जिया पे मलमल तेरे छज्जे के नीचे.
Yeah, so that's the vibe.
I'm not going for this party.
You will be there in the center before anybody reaches also.
Can we show them what step Vikas loves to do? Come.
Okay.
Vikas, come Vikas. Whether it's like a really trippy track, or whether it's a 60s song, or whether it's a Hindi song, or whether it's a Malayali song, the one step that Vikas Bahl will repeat
I
and
just
only
don't
do
want them to feel
is
insecure.
5, 6, 7, 8. All night.
Achha,
No, it's only
cut
one
it,
leg.
cut,
Alia, it's
cut,
only one leg.
cut,
Only
cut,
one leg. All
cut.
night he'll do it.
Cut.
Because you have to do it.
Don't
Please.
you want Vikas to do this step once?
Yes.
Come on.
Yes.
Cut. I'm the director.
Vikas Shandar sweat.
Nobody is taking you so seriously. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. हाथ जिया पे मलमल.
यार मेरे next गाने
Hey,
के लिए I've
मेरे
got a step.
छज्जे के. Come on, you can't stop. One more round. 5, 6, 7, 8. तेरे छज्जे के नीचे ही खड़े हैं, फंस गए जैसे दलदल.
I think
All night, Vikas Bahl, ladies and gentlemen.
Vikas,
I didn't know you sing so well. Actually, I know.
I was singing.
Oh, he was singing.
वो मन में गा रहा था, आवाज मेरे मुंह से निकल रही थी.
Okay.
Vikas, also, how's the preparations going on for Shahid's bachelor party?
Oh, we can't really talk about it. It's not Alia wala.
But Shahid, after 2 months of your wedding, bachelor's party हो रही है, कितने excited आप हैं?
We've decided to have an annual bachelor party for Shahid.
No, 1 second. I have said this time and again, my friends. No wedding questions. Okay? मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी
Question
हूँ.
is about
कोई question नहीं होगा.
हाँ जी. किसकी शादी?
हाँ, तो even more. मेरी शादी के बारे में वैसे भी पूछोगे, I won't give you an
क्या
answer.
होता अगर आप इनकी शादी के बारे में पूछते तो मैं खड़ा हो जाता. ये हमारी
actually,
ऐसी
vice versa.
हमारी फीलिंग्स हैं.